My name is Peter Bokodi. I'm Associate Professor of Art History here at the University of Plymouth, and we are today at Lanhydrock. This is a fantastic country house that belonged to National Trust, but formerly it was the house of the Robarts family. What you are looking at is a fascinating 17th century plaster ceiling that has been underwent extensive renovation. This ceiling is fantastic and special because what you can see is usually reserved to ornamental decoration in buildings, but here at Lanhydrock, the limestone plaster work is actually decorated with 36 brilliant narrative scenes, and it takes over the entire surface of the roof above us. The family was very much attached to the religious values of Christianity after the Reformation. So they decorated the ceiling with scenes from the Old Testament, particularly the creation of the world, the flood, the story of Jacob and Abraham. Actually, it's really one of its kind in terms of its scale and significance. So when the National Trust decided to clean and restore it, we thought it's a brilliant opportunity to come together and try to understand this fantastic piece of craftsmanship. We have a research team at the university, and we are tracing the influence of continental, mostly Dutch prints on the decoration. That is what the local craftsmen, they copied when they created these scenes. We are also doing 3D digital scanning to actually document the ceiling. If ever anything happens in the future, we would have now a proper 3D replica of the entire imagery.
My name's Faye Rayson. I am Collections and House Officer here at Lanhydrock, and I have worked here for just over 25 years now. There's just something about the room that's really special. Everyone loves the room. It's our largest room. It's the only room that wasn't affected by the fire of 1881. It's really special. It's always been a bit grubby. So every 5 years, myself and the house team have always put our little tower scaffold up, and we've cleaned the ceiling, not the way it's been cleaned this year. Been up close to it before, but not to the point where I could walk the whole length and have a close look. So many things up there that I hadn't seen before, and even after scaffolding had been up for months, walking up there and I thought, oh, there's an animal juggling balls. I've never noticed that before. I think the scanning that Plymouth Uni have done is going to open up a lot of conversations, not just with the staff but with visitors as well, and for people to be able to understand more about the ceiling and the makeup of it, instead of just standing at the top of the stairs and going, oh wow, it's a ceiling, it's nice and clean. Well, actually, here's a little bit more information. You can see these amazing scans and the detail in the scans. So we can get that message across and get all the knowledge that we've collected over the last 18 months of this project. We're just going to be able to tell a much more in-depth story.
So the way how these things they function in terms of our cultural heritage is that they are fascinating pieces of visual experiences. So whoever walks up here, they have this wow feeling that but it's so beautiful, it's so vast, and then suddenly you want to know more about it, and then they ask, okay, who made it? Well, we don't really know. Okay, why they depicted it? Well, we don't really know. So we are trying to effectively to answer this question a bit better, so that those who can have the possibility to experience the physical beauty of the ceiling, sort of this experience is further enriched by the contextual historical understanding. That you are trying to answer the big questions, the really big questions. It is to some extent an opportunity of a lifetime.